Hello mga kakusina! Welcome po ulit sa inyo dito sa aking cooking channel, The Cusinera at its Finest. Dahil cooking is life and food is life, panibagong pagluluto naman po kasama ako. So tara na, let's start cooking! For today's recipe, tayo po ay magluluto ng Chinese-style braised pork. I am preparing my stainless steel pan and I'm doing the water test para malaman ko kung ready na yung ating pan before we put in oil just to make it non-stick. Once the pan is ready, I added a neutral flavored oil and then magsa-start na po tayong magisa. Now, in other countries, meron silang tinatawag na Holy Trinity, which is onion, celery, and carrots. But in the Philippines, with Filipino cooking, matatawag ko pong Holy Trinity ang ating luya, bawang, at sibuyas. So, we're just gonna continue to saute our aromatics and then maglalagay po ako ng 1 tablespoon of sugar. This will help with the stickiness of our dish. Because of the sugar, yung aromatics natin mag-iiba yung kulay. Now, once na nakita natin nag-iba yung kulay, mas darker na siya, we can then add our pork. Ang gamit ko po dito ay pork belly, but you can also use kasim or pigi. For our Chinese-style braised pork, gagamit po tayo ng Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine. Hindi na po ako magbibigay ng measurement sa inyo mga kakusina. I just eyeballed everything. Kumbaga, tansyameter ang gagamitin natin. Now, I'm also going to use dark soy sauce. Now, dark soy sauce, it's not that salty. It's basically used to add a dark color to the dish. And ang gusto natin sa ating Chinese-style braised pork, it has a really dark brown color. Since braising ang gagamitin natin na cooking technique and we're gonna braise it low and slow, gagamit po tayo ng Sprite instead of just water. Sprite can help tenderize our pork belly and at the same time, it will add that sweetness na gusto natin at kailangan natin ma-achieve sa ating Chinese-style braised pork. Kanina, gumamit tayo ng dark soy sauce for the color. Now, this time, we are going to add light soy sauce. Now, this is going to be the salty component of our dish. And that's it mga kakusina. Wala na tayong ibang gagamiting ingredients to further cook the dish. Now, we're just gonna continue to slowly boil this over low heat until lumapot na yung sauce natin and nakikita nyong nagiging glossy na yung itsura ng ating braised pork. So that is it mga kakusina, isa na namang masarap at madaling lutuin na cusinera recipe ang na-share natin for today. Now if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video to your family and friends, and kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa cooking channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na para naabangan mo yung mga upcoming videos ko and recipes. Thanks again for watching mga kakusina and see you again on the next video. Bye now!